سورة العلق.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Read in the name of your Lord who has created.
خلق الإنسان من علق.
He has created man from a clot.
اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
Read, and your Lord is the most generous.
الذي علم بالقلم.
Who has taught the writing by the pen.
علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
He has taught man that which he knew not.
كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى.
Nay, verily man does transgress.
أن رآه استغنى.
Because he considers himself self-sufficient.
إن إلى ربك الرجعى.
Surely to your Lord is the return.
أرأيت الذي ينهى.
Have you seen him who prevents?
عبدا إذا صلى.
A slave when he prays.
أرأيت إن كان على الهدى.
Have you seen if he is on the guidance?
أو أمر بالتقوى.
Or enjoins piety?
أرأيت إن كذب وتولى.
Have you seen if he denies and turns away?
ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى.
Knows he not that Allah sees what he does?
كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية.
Nay, if he ceases not, we will catch him by the forelock.
ناصية كاذبة خاطئة.
A lying, sinful forelock.
فليدع ناديه.
Then let him call upon his counsel.
سندع الزبانية.
We will call out the guards of hell.
كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب.
Nay, do not obey him. Fall prostrate and draw near.